Hi, it's Anthony, and we are going to take a look at our reviewing process for WordPress. So for our WordPress project, we will be using a plugin that makes the reviewing process as simple as just clicking on stuff. Now we will usually only install the plugin when the first review is ready for you, but we could also install it during the prerequisite phase of the project, depending on how your project lead would like. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your WordPress installation. So here we have a brand new WordPress installation for the demo. So go on to login. Now you want to go to front page, the front end of your WordPress, just by clicking this. And now you see that it asks you what type of user are you. Do you want to select the client or website owner? This is important as it will grant you the proper permission. The other two is for our purposes, so this is for allow team, and we have this for the A/B tester. So you could invite your own A/B tester to review your site, but it's not recommended as you can see, they can select their own role, which would be a security problem, unless of course you set up an account and select the role for them. Now it is very important for you not to choose our development team's role, because it has permission to make important changes, which means if used improperly, you can break the plugin and causes delays to your project. So it's best to just stay away from it. Now once you have selected the role, it will ask you what kinds of notifications you would like to receive. We would recommend you to just leave it like this, but if you think the notification is annoying, you can just unselect any of them. The next step is the tutorial video. Now obviously we do not have a tutorial video yet, because we're literally making the tutorial video right now. So to use this plugin is very easy. See these plus signs on the right, so just click on it and you have started the review process. So for example, if you don't like this category right over here, just click on it and let us know. And then you want to choose how the priority for this task. So let's say it's a medium priority, and the user will automatically send to our development team, but you can select it if somehow it wasn't our development team. And then you can create a screenshot just in case we did not see this. So just click on it and it will take a screenshot automatically. Oops. We need to add comments before that. Now by adding the comments, you'll create the actual task itself. and it will send the screenshot right over here for us. And the other option is the additional information. This will give us the information that we might need to see the problem. So just it will take your information automatically, so you can just leave it alone. You can check if the task is created right over here. So you have just created this task, and if you click on it, it'll bring you back to this cloud. Now let's say if you go to the bottom and say you don't want this Powered by WordPress link, click on it and say remove this. Let's say it's a high priority because you don't want it on a production site, and to be on the safe side, you want to take a screenshot just in case we might miss it. And again, add a comment before you do the screenshot. And there we have it, 2 tasks created. Now, say if we want to navigate between the tasks, we can just click on it and it will bring us to the task, just like that. Now make sure when you select the object, you want to make sure the object is in this box. The selection tool will automatically select the container for the object, so you want to select the right container so that we know what you are pointing at. Now let's say if you want to move to another page and do the same thing, you can just go here, click on it and say change the title. Let's say it's the medium priority task, and to be on the safe side, let's create a screenshot. Oops, that's a little bit too much. And now you can see on this page there's only 1 task, but if you go to all pages, you can see there's 3 tasks for the entire website. Let's say if you want to look at this, click on it, it'll bring you to the task. And that is pretty much about it. And you can go to your dashboard. If you go back to your dashboard, you can go to the feedback and you can see all the tasks right over here, the task center. Now you can track the status of the task right over here. See the status right over here. Our team will mark the status for your task, and the status right over here will change accordingly. And if you look at the priority, it changes depending on the priority you selected. Now let me change the task status so that you can take a look at it. Now if we refresh this page, you can see the priority and the status for your task. So right over here we can see the check mark, this has been done. Now if you think you need to reopen this task, you can just start a new command and will be notified about the new task. So let's say reopen this. And we can see from our own dashboard, if you refresh it, the check mark is gone, and now the task is reopened. This here. So we can continue to work on the same task if you are not satisfied or you want to change it somewhere in the future. Now if you look here, you can see this is the pending review status. So this usually means our team is looking at it right now. And here we have the in progress status. That means we are working on it right now. So again, if you want to take a look at the task, you can just click open task page right over here and delete it. Now let's say if you have a graphic or images like a stock free image that we use for a site or something, you can upload it right over here. Let me grab one. Alright, let's say we want to upload a screenshot of this site. So click on the upload image and you can drag your file or any media and click on use this image. If you upload it right here, you can see the check mark and you can name it screenshot of the site, and let's just say it's just a screenshot of the home page and click on start. Now you can do your command like the original site. So let's say we don't want this, you can just click on it and say remove this. Let's put it a low priority. This is how it was done. And for pictures, now let's say if we don't like the color right over here, change this to blue, and we can create a task right over here. Very easy, just click on the plus sign and click on the parts that you want to edit. Now when you're done with all that, you can just click on mark as complete, and looks like, let's just carry up this real quick. Say done. Now you can change the background color, but I don't see the point of doing that, so you can just mark this as complete and get out of here. Now this is pretty much all about the reviewing process, so you can go ahead and work on the review, and we'll see you in a bit. Have a great day. Goodbye.